minus kayo. Minus kayo. Panalo kami. Walang table kayo. Tatlo kami. Ano bola? Guys, guys. Ha?
Alright. Pasok, number 20, 95. 95 for 3. Number 55, Nino. To 97. Naiwanan nun ni Peter eh. Naiwanan yung araw ni Peter eh. Mayroon, saan yung bola natin?
Sakto pa naman yung... Alam mo, pag mga ganun, dapat...
Zero. Mintes, rebound. Number 5, dribble the ball. Pass to number 55. Pass to number 5. 13 seconds. Oi, still. Counter still. 81. Drives in, layups, no good. Rebound by number 80 now. No good. Rebound by 55 to number 5. Number 0, Kaisip. Number 80. Ito na number 22, Nino. 55 to 0, Kaisip. Pass to 99, no good. Rebound by 81. Pass to 97. Play on, play on. Play on. Ay, apat lang ito. 8 seconds to shoot. 81. 81 drives in, pass to 55. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Oy, nanggigigil. Number 5. Counted. 55 to 81. 81 gives in, tumira, pasok. Veterans move by number 81. Number 99. Pasok, 80. 2 points, number 0. May 3 points kanina. 55. Muntik na ma-traveling. $97 for 3. No good. Rebound by 22. 22 to number 80. Number 80 goes in. Play on. Walang pito. Kabila yon. Number 81 to 55. 97 for 3. No good. Rebound by 81. Pasok. Picture na yan. Tumira ng 3. Short. Oy, intercepted by 95. 95 to number 80 for 3. No good. Pasok. Number 99. Baldomero. Oh, lamang sila ng panalo sa amin. (22) Nakapak ng sariling anino. Pasok, 3 points. Number 95. Naapakan ang sariling anino ni Bal, kaya natapilok. Time out! Red! Yung 3 points si, hindi na nga shoot eh. Yung bandang huli lang si, yung si... Yung bandang huli na kayo na. 55. 55 goes in for 2. No good. Rebound by 97. Back to 55 for 2 again. Yes. Oh. Ito si Mac, walang shoot. Walang shoot. Pati walang shoot. 95 to number 80. To number 40. Ayan. Picturean yan. Picturean yan. Picturean yan, number 40. Tama yan, tama yan. Number 5. Oy! 55. Goes in. Oy! Pinasa sa kawala. Siyempre magdala yan. Same ball, kicking. Number 0 goes in for 2. Yes. Number 55. 5. Dribble the ball. Pass to 97. 97 to 81. Goes in. Layup. Blanca. Oy, up. Yellow ball. Ball on the line. Number 50, 95 to number 50, 80. Goes in. No good. Rebound by 97. 97. Pass to, oy, pinasa. Sayang, sayang. Number 22. Tagay na lang tapos pagbalik ko. Uwi ako sa dalawa lang. Nandun ako next week. Nandun ako next week. Week, wala akong this week. Next week, a week after nandun ako. Sa Bado dating pay. Parang Sunday yata lang. Nandito na yun. Waybit, nandito na yun. Dalawa kayo wala. Ano yun, wala. Kami lang ni Adrian ang wala next week at saka si Lee. Tatlo. Next week. Kasama ko si Lee. Basket! Number 55 foul. Team up. Rebound by number... Oy, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 80. 0. Oy, pinasa sa number 55, sayang. Number 55, 1 and 2. Easy basket for number 97. Number 0 to 80. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 81. 81 nagmamadali. 97, basket. Oy, end of the first quarter. Alright, Bogam. Red ang sunod. Pasok. Kino-confuse ka lang ni Bots eh. Kino-confuse ka ni Bots eh. Alright, 55. Kaisip. Rebound by number 20. Zero layups. Easy layups. Good for 2. Number 97 now. 97. Pass to number 55. Number 5. 55 to number 55 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 40. Number 40. Drives in. Pass to 0 to 95 for 3. Voila. Rebound by 0. Oi, there's a foul. Number 55. 2 shots. 2 personal foul, 55. First team foul, red. Hindi namin inasahan yun. Hindi namin inasahan na ma-shoot niya eh. Wala talaga, walang kasunod. Pasok! Number 40. Michael. Number 40. Nakadalawa siya. Number 5. To 97. Goes in, pass on. Oy! Yellow ball. Ni Spanish, binabayaan lang namin kasi hindi naman nakakashoot. Kung nakashoot yung isa niya, yung pinasa sa kanya, ikaw yata nagpasa sa kanya eh. Yun lang. 97, yes! Bagal si Spanish. Rapapaw, saan ka mamili? Rapapaw o Spanish? Ako, Spanish ako. Pasok, number 99, Baldomero. Number 5, dribble the ball. 81. 81. Number 81, long shot. No good. Rebound by 55, basket. Basket count. Number 0, layup. Pasok. Number 97. Five for 3. Pasok. 3 points, number 5. But pinagdasal na kayo ni Jasper sa church eh, kaya ganun eh. Pinagdasal mo sa church na matalo sila, no? Number 0. Number 0 drives in, pass to number 40. Jump shot, pasok. Picturean na yan. Parang naamoy ko na mapicturean yan. Number 81 to number 5. $97 for 3, no good. Rebound by 85 to 99. Hinihintay ang depensa, easy basket. Parang may puti si Baldo sa tainga. Ha? Dito sa kaasano niya, kabila. 81 to 5. 5 to 55 for 2. Yes. Parang sikin eh. Oy, 40 Domeritzo. Easy basket. Number 55 to number 5. For 3. Pumasok ang 3. Number 40 goes in. Layup na good. Number 5 nagmamadali. 3 on 1. Pasok. Oy, long pass. For 3. No good. Substitution ref. Timeout red. Timeout red. $55-97. 97 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 22 to number 80. 3 on 2. 3 on 2. Oy! Muntik na. Number 80 drives in. Easy basket for number 80.
So next week, positioning pa rin o ano na, laglagan na? Laglagan na next week.
Number 80 goes in 44-2. Pasok, number 80. Number 5 to 97. Oy! Yumuko ang 97. 37-34. Number 80 to 40. 40 jump shot. No good. Rebound by 97. Symbol. Number 5.
Hindi kita namin sa inyo na ikaw lang nagda-drive. Ganyan, sipika na namin eh. Kaya iba sa labas mo eh. Ikaw lang nagda-drive talaga eh. Kaya si Cho ang sabi ko, si Cho lang ang magda-drive dyan sa gitna, walang iba. Kaya ikaw lang talaga eh.
There's a foul on number 0. Kaisip. Number 80 drives in. Rebound by Kaisip. Pasok. Zero. Kaisip. Number 5 to number 97. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 40 to 22 to 40. Easy basket by number 80. Tumatakbo na po ang yellow. Oy, end of the second quarter. Yung, punta ka dun sa table, yung nakatayo. Yan, naka-PBA, naka-ano. Black, naka-long sleeve. Yung sa lamisa. 97, for 3, no good. Rebound by 40. Kaya mapapunta na siya. Number 84 rebound. 99 to number 0. Easy. So easy. Number 5 now. Lumalayo na ang yellow. Rebound by 99 to Kais. Oy, intercepted. Oy, ganda. Ganda ng ikot. Paano yun? Pang finals. Number 40 drives in, layups. Yes. Easy basket for number 40. Number 55. Oy, 55 labosot. No good. 99. 3-2. Goes in. Pinasa to 0. Easy basket po number 0. Lumalayo na po ang yellow. Montilla number 5. Pass to 55. 9, 8. Oy, nawala. Oy, intercepted by number 5 to number 97. 97 for 3, no good. Rebound by 99. 99. Oy, wala. Yun, pumasok. Number 0 for 2. Number 55 to number 5. Oy, intercepted. Play on. 2-in-1. Easy basket by number 80. To number 5. 95 to 97. 81. Goes in. Wala. Oy! There's a foul on 99. Baldomero. 2 shots. Is that 2 shots? 2 shots. Parang rebound yun. Hindi nag-shoot. Rebound sila. Oy, short. Wala. Ang una. No, next time, hindi na pwede maglaro. Maglaro. Forty, wala. Rebound by number 0, 40 again. Ayun. Number 55 now. Number 55. 97 for 3, no good. Rebound by 99. Slimwell, basic talaga. Hindi mo maaron yun. Yung
GC yata nasa holiday. Yung malaki, yung GC yata nasa holiday. Yung Jing ang wala.
Oy, pasok. There's a foul on 22. 22. Bonus shot. Iriwan, wala pa rin ang una. Pangalawa, pass to ball to 90. Oy. Number 5 now. Number 5 goes in. Pass to number 81. Wala. Line ball. Next week. Oh, next week. Time out. Red. Last touch. Red ball, 14 seconds to shoot. 97 to 81. 81 pumihit, pasok. Ang ganda. Picturean yan. Win or loss, picturean yan. Number 80 goes in. Pasok. Number 55 now. Number 55. '97, wala. Oy, nakuha ng 97 uli. Wala pa rin. Number 80 now. Number 80 drives in. Oy, tapal ball Casel. Oy, intercepted by Yellow. Drives in. Easy basket point, number 40. 2 shots, 40 ha. Bots, dalawang shot ni Mike. 40. Number 81. Rebound by number 0, Kaisip. Kaisip goes in. Pinasa to 80. Wala. Rebound by number 80 to 99. 99 layup, yes. '79. 99, Bal. Si Bal, 99. 97. Pass to number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound by 81. Ganda, lakas. Ang lakas ng 81. Dapang Division 1 yung laro ng 81 eh. 99 for 3. Yes! Easy basket for number 99. Number 5. Number 5 to number 55. For 3. Yun! Pumasok ang 3. Mainit ang kamay ng number 55. Number 80 now. Bawal dumaan dito pag walang bigay ha. Dapat magbigay kayo. 40, yes! Number 40, 2 points. Mike, 40. '97, oy, pumasok na naman ang 3. Mas mainit ang kamay ng mga Reds. To 0. 0 drives in. Lakas. Rebound by number 5. Number 5, tumira. Wala, pinasa. 97 for 3. Wala. Oy! 4-3, wala. Rebound by 0. Tubal, easily up. Nahiya lang si Mike. Backs out eh. Number 5, 4-3, yes! Ang init ng mga kamay ng number 5. Humahabol po. Number 5, 4-3. 40, wala. Rebound, pasok, number 80. 2 points, number 80. Oy, is end of the third quarter. $99 for 3. Wala. Rebound by 99 again. Line ball. Red ball na tayo. $97. Number 5. For 3. Yeah, good. No good. Number 80, nagmamadali. Basket by number 80. Lumalayo na po. Si Bila at si Lee. 97 goes in. Pasok. Adrian. Number 80. Number 80 goes in. Oy! There's a foul. Oh, traveling violation first. Traveling violation first. All right, back to the ball game. $97. 97 bring down the ball to number 5. Number 5. 97 for 3. Wala. Rebound by 22. To number 0. Number 0 to number 80. Number 80 easily up number 80. Mantilla number 5. Oy, lakas. 99. Wala. Ulit, wala. Wala pa rin. Wala talaga. Number 97 to number 5. Number 5 to 97. Pasok. Wala na. Nabasa na. 99 for 3. Yes! Number 5. To number 97 for 3. Wala. Rebound by 97 again. To 81. 81 pumihit, tumiraw, pinasa. Wala talaga. Number 99, yes. $55 bring down the ball. Number 5. 97. No good. Rebound by 99. Lamang. Mga bata, hindi makatakbo yung mga pula tuloy. Malaki lang pero hindi matakbo. 81 pumihit, there's a foul. Timeout, yellow. Timeout, yellow. All right, back to the ball game. 2 shots on red, 2 shots. Hindi, doon kabila. Wala din sila dito pag...
Hindi, may deep 3 doon eh. Yata. Wala ba? Ba't dito ka nag-deep 3 dalawa? Oo, wala doon ako sa first game.
22. 2 shots. Yes. Number 5. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Oy! Pinasa. Pinasa sa kalaban. Marasigan. Wala. Marasigan ba yan? Number 80 now. Pass to 22 for 3. No good. 81. Pass to 97. Wala. Rebound by 81. Uy, ganda talaga. May nakain to, may nakain. Nakakain to ng ice cream din na avocado flavor siguro. Number 40 goes in. Tomera, no good. Wag tap. Bawal. Tapusin na yun. Number 80. $99. Baldomero for 3. Yes. Oh, last quarter na to. 3 minutes to go. $81. Number 5. No good. Rebound by 99. 99 to number 80. Number 80 Elias. Easy basket 99. Marasigan 97 Bruce. Ganda. Picturean na yan si Bros. Kahit talo, picturean. Kaisip, pasok. 2 points. 81 drives in, short. 97 to 81. 81. Ayun, ganda talaga oh. Sayang. 99, Baldomero. Easy basket by number 40. 97 to number 5. Number 5 for 3. Wala. Uli. Wala pa rin. Rebound by 81. Yun. Number 80. Wala. Rebound by 97. Wala pa rin. Pass to 99. Kaisip for 2. O yung dyan. Mahina maglaro. Wala pa sa ulo.
Kyle. Pasok ka lang to, huwag kang lalabas.
97 for 3, no good. Yellow ball. For 2, easy basket.
Papawit ang shot ko.
$81 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 0. Oy, pinasa sa 81. Alright, next game ready for warm-up. For 3, wala pa rin talaga. Wonderful, hindi pa tapos yung laro.
Kausapin.
Alright, end of the ball game.